Yes, so it has started. Hello
Hmm.
everyone. My name is Supriya Sikhwal and I'm into the category of advertisement and PR services. We help our clients to release advertisements in print media, newspapers, radio, television, outdoor activities, outdoor branding. And
Hmm.
here we have Mr. Kaushik Ganguli with us. Sir, would you please
Hi, good evening.
set yourself? Yes.
Okay, so should I give an introduction of
Yes,
myself?
yes. Yes, sir, definitely.
Hi, Supriya. Thank you for this interview opportunity. So, hi, everybody. Good evening. I'm CA Kaushik Ganguli. I'm a finance professional. I wear quite a few hats, so I'll just go through it one by one. I'm a finance professional with about 30 years of experience, 25 years in the corporate sector, 5 years working on my own as an entrepreneur. I'm a chartered accountant from India, management accountant from the UK, qualified both the exams in 1994. Thereafter, worked with big names, Hindustan Unilever, Tata Group for about 20 years. And then, I finally started working on my own sometime in 2017, 18, around mid 2018. That was when things got off the ground. I am also a professional counselor with a PGDM qualification. So this is what I broadly am. And what do I do? I provide services of upskilling, counseling, and training. When you talk of upskilling, basically this is all about, group discussions, personal interviews, resume optimization, LinkedIn optimization, preparing video CVs. This is something which came up in the new normal in the pandemic age. And also preparing a good cover letter, which is something which is very basic, which again dates back to an older time. But I find that many people are unable to draft specific cover letters for specific jobs. So this is what we do. Apart from that, we have other areas like spoken communication, written communication, associate
Mm-hmm,
skills,
mm-hmm.
managerial skills. So we have got a lot of upskilling modules, all divided into the form of toolkits. With regard to counseling, I deal with areas like educational guidance, career counseling, workplace mentoring, relationship advice, and we have our own team of counselors. So what we do is we have a team of counselors who have specific expertise in different areas.
Mm-hmm.
They are multilingual. They can speak English, Hindi, Bengali. This is there. And apart from that, we are also, having our own spaces. So what can happen is if you want a small seminar, if you want to have a Zoom session,
Mm-hmm.
if you can refer any institute to us, we can pretty much carry out this job properly. So also, if you take training, then yes, we have a fairly good knowledge of specific industries,
Mm-hmm.
hotels, retail, banking. So a commerce graduate who is aspiring for a job in any of these sectors will find a ready material to talk to us. And he therefore comes with a edge when it comes to the job market. So this is pretty much what we do. Just to sum up, in case that sounds rather intimidating, we have more than 100 PPTs. We have 2,000 topics for debate and group discussion. We have more than 300 case studies. So this is a numerical example of what we do. And over the last 5 years, we have dealt with about 170 plus clients one-on-one and 3,500 clients in groups. This
Right.
includes school students, college students, CA students, MBA students, uh, business entrepreneurs, because I'm a trainer with BNI also, which is an international certification. I have, apart from my MSP, I've also
Mm-hmm.
done other areas. So this is pretty much about me and the work that we do. I'll just end with one small thing: is that
Mm-hmm.
why should you refer us? There are other people who are competing. Why should
Yes,
you refer
actually, I
us?
wanted to know more about like who your target audience is and how
Hmm.
can, we give you more business.
So, okay, now just who's our target audience? First of all, it is mainly students from the age of
Mm-hmm.
14 to 35, maybe people who are studying for their masters. We don't look at very small kids. We would rather counsel their parents, but then we would rather look at students who are from, say, age of 14 onwards. So, business owners are another target clients because we regularly train business owners in gauging the dynamics of their business, optimizing their skills. We also look to professionals who are working for some time and who want to get a leg up in their career. So these are people who we would like referrals to come to us. A few days back, for example, I made a resume for a group CFO in Dubai.
All
I
right.
made a resume for a corporate controller based in Gurugram. So these are the sort of people we've taken on. I am right now working on the resume of a gentleman who is working with a leading US bank who wants to move on in the job. So I'm doing his resume on LinkedIn.
All
This is
right.
on the B2C front. Now on the B2B front, we are also working with, say, institutes. I work with the Institute of Chartered Accountants. I work with a business school in Gurgaon. We would like more connects with BTech institutes who face campusing issues. We would like to work more with MBA institutes who face campusing issues. And we would like to work with, say, Chamber of Commerce, where we can guide their member companies on specific areas of upskilling. And as I said, why should you refer us? Because we have a good combination of corporate, academics, knowledge, experience, and we keep updating our knowledge. We curate presentations where we feel the need is there. We can create a presentation on need. And more so, we are very, very professional. We are focused towards both B2C, B2B clients. And that is pretty much it. And this sort of a combination you will not get too easily. So that
Definitely.
is my take.
Like,
So,
what could you say is the USP of single-minded EduServe?
as I said, that the USP is we help you to invest in yourself at your own pace,
All right.
and we gear you up to face competition. For example, if you take our tagline, if you pass the test, you beat the rest. This
Okay.
line is taken from a Pet Shop Boys single in the 80s. So
All
that
right.
attracted me. Also, one of our big taglines is you learn to train and you train to learn. So there are times in your life when you need to focus, unfocus, and refocus. So we help you to do that.
Definitely. Okay.
So these are our USPs. And the biggest part is that I'm a chartered accountant, I'm a Zavarian, I'm a Tata employee, I'm a BNI member. So all this requires multiple codes of conducts. And if I take on an assignment, I ensure my client is fully satisfied. So
Definitely.
that's it really.
Okay, so how has your journey with BNI been so far?
With BNI, the journey has been good because I'll be very frank with you, Supriya, that I've failed more often in my life than succeeded. So what has happened is that all these failures have taught me lessons. So I have succeeded after that. Generally, it has taken me some time to learn something, but when I've learned a lesson, I've applied it and things have moved on. So the BNI started in 2020. It was 3 months followed. Then the pandemic took over. In the pandemic, one great learning was that I realized the power of online, working.
Yes, yes.
So I realized
So the
that
world was
that
taken
is
aback by that, and we had to make the most of the time that we had
we
then.
had to make. Absolutely. So then that happened. After that, what happened was we took part in games. So that gave me the chance to guide teams. I was a games captain. And then I found that I was pretty much able, because this was challenging because you are leading other business owners who are as senior or as junior as you. So they are like directors of the companies. You have to give everybody respect. So that happened. So I became a member of the LT. I have been an LT for 6 successive terms now. This is my 6th term that I'm handling an LT, extended LT role. I've been a member of the core LT, and pretty much I've done justice. I have evolved as a better professional, a better business owner, and most importantly, as a better human being. I've learned how to give without expectations. But yes, I also, as I respect the opposite business owner, I also respect myself a lot. This is something which has happened with BNI. Today, I'm on the verge of completing 4 years, and let's see where we go from here. I mean, it has been a good journey, and let's see what happens.
All right, Kaushik ji, thank you so much for your time, and I wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank
It's
you.
been a pleasure talking to you.